This is a mango tree, a 3D mango tree. For this 3D mango tree, what I did, I just take a cottage paper, green color cottage paper, give a cutout like a tree shape, and take any stick, ice cream stick, or if you don't have ice cream stick, you can take any wooden stick, something like this wooden stick. You can take whatever it's available to your house and wrap it in brown marble paper, or just color it watercolor, brown color, and then the mango just orange color cottage paper, cut it small chunk like this, and this kind of a small cardboard, apply some glue over it and stick the cardboard over the mango, and then the other side of the cardboard and stick it to here like this, and your mango tree is ready. And under it, you have to give a base. Here I had some thermocol, so I used those thermocol. I just made a cut here, see the slit cut, and then like this, and my 3D mango tree is ready. So let's get started and let's see how to make the 3D mango.